To update apps on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, we can swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and then in here we should be able to simply find the Play Store. Now once we go to the Play Store, then we should be able to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you can find Manage Apps option. So we're gonna go here, and then we have the list of apps that we can update on our watch. So as you can see, you might have quite a long list of apps, so you can tap on update all to make sure that everything is going to be up to date soon. Of course, this can be done in the background in the meantime. And what you can also do is you can go to settings, and here in settings you can find the apps option, and then in apps we can find Samsung app updates. So we can open this, and if you go here for the first time you might need to update the Galaxy Store as well. And then here you can find the list of apps that you can update as well. So you can just tap on update all here at the top, just like before, to make sure that everything is going to be updated. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.